I got you. Go ahead. What are we doing?
Gonna blow him to smithereens.
With the Tannerite? What are you going to do with the Tannerite?
Gonna blow him to smithereens
You
with the Tannerite.
duct tape it to his neck?
Gonna duct tape it to his neck, and he's gonna meet his Lord and Savior Jesus Christ.
I think you already met him. He's going to meet him again.
He's gonna meet him again.
Man, bless his heart.
Yeah.
You're just going to have to wrap it around it. Whoa! Watch the Tannerite.
There you go. Hey, I'll tell you what. Let's see. Is that it?
We got him. He's looking up at his Lord and Savior.
We're going to eat some neck bone after his blood of the kingdom comes.
Where do you want it? Right here?
I would say. Hey, Brent.
Yeah.
Calm down, dude. He's already dead.
What's the deal? Okay. I went home on mouth right.
Ho, Brent.
Okay. Where am I hitting?
Everywhere.
Thank you.
Okay, go ahead. I thought I heard somebody coming up the driveway.
Ready?
Go ahead. There you go.
Wow. Wow. Where am I hitting? Where am I hitting?
Everywhere.
Thank you.
Okay, go ahead. I thought I heard somebody coming up the driveway.
Ready?
Go ahead. There you go. Very good, sir.
Three times, but he finally got him.
Wow. His head on top in the power line.
Look at that.
Wow, that's serious.
Half pound of Tannerite.
Let's see what it looks like now.
I like it better.
I think you got him, Brent.
Looks good.
I
It's
can't
just a mere
believe that.
flesh wound.
That's why I said put it under his chin, because that blast going up.
You typed it there. So the ATF recommend this gun?
Right.
Top right, 1 o'clock.
Boom!
Good shot.
There you go, sir.
Put it right where you told me.
Did what?
I put it right where you told me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm a great spotter. Good shot.
You are.